大家好，我是 Shane。今天呢，我们就来到这个 Rainbow Spring， 然后专门来看 Kiwi Bird， 就是这个。现在呢，就是要去买票啦。我们是 Natural Kiwi Hatchery Vault， 30块。Hi, yeah, we have 2 persons, adults.
So you know that the wider park is still currently closed. The National Kiwi Hatchery Vault's open, so you can't access the other side with the birds, the trout, and everything. It's only the kiwi.
So only the kiwi currently.
Yeah.
It's only like the schedule.
So they run on the hour every hour. The first tour leaves at 9 o'clock. The last tour.
The first tour already left.
Not yet.
Not
so
yet.
if you still want to go on the tour and you're happy with just the kiwi, then I can put you on that one.
Okay. 它只有 kiwi 哦，全部的玩到完 kiwi 吧，它只有 kiwi 吧，现在30。Is it $30? $30?
Yeah, it's $30 per adult.
全部都玩完。That's right. Just go for it.
Alright. So that's the 9 o'clock tour. Alright, so that there is $60.
Yep.
There we go. Alright, I'll just print off these certificates. So when you make kawa tea from the leaves, Maple, do you just put the leaves in and then just let it rest? Cool. Alright, so just use it on that turntable there. You'll see a purple picnic table just out here and your guide will be out there shortly.
Alright, sure. Thanks. 应该这个有啦，就是能够在里面，有菌了吧？现在就进去了。那有了一张。
你要 scan
要 scan， 这边还要 scan。我看那边，哦，他是2个人哈，那样订 table 啊，就在等。好，现在等他的托。
Hola, my name is Maple. I'm your tour guide for this morning. I'm originally from Beijing, China, a long time ago. So usually I do a Mandarin tour and English tour both. Looks like today we have no choice, English only, My question: has anybody seen Kiwi before? Any video? No, zoo. Yeah. The Auckland Zoo, really good news. We have 1 newborn Kiwi chick in the hatchery right now, only 2 days old. And during the tour half hour, you definitely will see this baby. Come with me.
现在就要去看 Kiwi 鸟，在小孩们，现在就进去了。
You faster than me. We're gonna play this game together. You see, this big giant kiwi burrow. You already know kiwi, they are nocturnal animal, only came up at night. So imagine yourself, you're a kiwi bird now, you're in the burrow in your home. Outside this burrow in the forest full of danger. What kind of danger? All from this video game. You're listening to the animal sounds. You figure out, is a kiwi or not a kiwi? Is the animal not a kiwi? Definitely it's a predator to kiwi. And just give you a little bit refresh mind. What kind of danger for kiwi? Why New Zealand is doing a kiwi recovery program? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, try. What do you think? First one, correct. Yeah, predator, hedgehog. Lots of people don't believe why cutie hedgehog is predator. Yes, they are.
Yesterday we saw a hedgehog on the way in my room, and my dad thought it was a kiwi.
So it's threatened,
Yeah, I was so sleepy.
Yeah, because not only a hedgehog eating a kiwi egg, also they have the same food as kiwi. They both eating worms, bugs, which means the more hedgehog eating and the less kiwi have. Oh, you want to run? Easy. Yeah, easy. Your dog. But actually dog is quite tricky. Because on the one hand, the dog are killing our kiwi. They just like to play a hunting game. Actually, they don't like eating a kiwi. They don't like a kiwi meat. But on the other hand, the Department of Conservation, they treating dog as a working dog to to house them from kiwi from the wild and to safety. They good size and bad size both.
Is that a pig or a guinea? That's a guinea.
Wow, guinea pig. Not guinea pig. Guinea pig is too small. I have a guinea pig at home too. And a wild pig. Even a normal animal such as a cow, goat, and a sheep, and even a deer, they go everywhere. They easily damage your kiwi burrows on the ground. If there are eggs in the burrow, you see, might be crashed eggs too. Also, piggy eating everything, huh?
I heard that one already.
What that? Yeah, what's this person? Who knows the person from where? Person from neighbor country Australia. They brought a person in the country is for business. People using a person skin made into a hat. Clothes sold overseas for money. But people didn't realize and nobody knows why. Person changed their diet. In Australia, they only eat vegetation. But since in New Zealand, they eat lots of meat to wild birds. And nobody knows the reason. Oh, you're right.
Oh, they're very similar.
No, actually, behind you see on the ground, the smallest animal on the ground, the first one, that's a stone. You see the size. Really small size, huh?
Wait, there's a kiwi.
Actually, stone is number one problem to our kiwi. You see it's number 500 around. That's a stone. Hard race, which means they're burning energy really fast. That's why they're eating lots of food. They breed also really fast. That's the number one problem.
Wait,
for
they
our
can-
kiwi. Surprise to you! Too fast. Next time, think.
I knew there was a kiwi.
His kiwi called it. You see what is kiwi doing? It's kiwi trying to teasing out a waker.
It's like,
Who wants to go eat
A waker.
burrow? Okay, my question is, what other animals you can think about also create kiwi out in the video game? Yep, right. Yeah. What else?
I know one.
Yes, cats. And stole the cousins such as fairy weasels and also us, our human. Actually, all the problems from the video is caused by our human. Maori people was the first human arrived in New Zealand 800 years ago.
Yeah, they killed all the
Before
ones.
that, this country were no mammals at all, no big inland mammals at all. They only got two really small type of cats as considered as mammals. And all the animals are actually into the countries on purpose. For example, possum for business, stone for dealing with a rabies problem, so on. Kiwi's problem for kiwi. 30 years ago, they found out the kiwi population number declined badly, so they saw that they have to do something. Otherwise, this New Zealand national icon bird, unique bird on Earth, might be disappear.
No,
Yeah.
it's down.
Yeah, it's gone. So we joined into one of the kiwi recovery program, which is called Operation Nest program back 26 years ago. We're working with US organizations and Department of Conservation during North Island brown kiwi breeding season. They collect eggs from the forest, and our job here, we hatch the eggs, raise the baby to 1 kilogram. You know why 1 kilogram body weight? 1 kilogram baby can run faster. Once they meet the first problem stone, they can run away from the danger and give them much more chance to survive. Once they go into adult size, much easier for the life for them. The two legs even stronger. They could run even faster. They could use their sharp claws as a weapon to defend for themselves.
我个龙比可以，但是做
That's only for eating only, not for fighting. So But manager the Kiwi recovery program decided they can manage about 65% survival rate for Kiwi in the wild. Without the program, only 5% Kiwi would reach to 1 year old. So thank you so much for coming today. You know your money is really important for us to save the loss of Kiwi in the wild. Thank you. Wow. Now please follow me.
Kiwi bird.
So this is for birthday. I mean, this is Kiwi thing for the birthday.
Yes.
Alright, behind this door is kind of important place. Please, no image, no camera. Also, we're going to wash our hands with the sanitizer. Yeah, thank you for understanding.
现在呢，就刚看完 live 的 Kiwi， 就才2天大的 Kiwi， 现在就参观那个 museum， 走。Brown Kiwi，
你看这个是点，有点像做动作。
Whisker，
这个好稀有，这个毛呢？然后还有什么？
还是有到吗？
那种凤爪。
凤爪。哦，还有踢着呢。
恐龙脚。
像恐龙的脚这样。
然后什么？对。
Feather of fur， 你像不像那个稻田那个 ？It's all in the lake。难怪跑这样快了。They can cover the geography up to 60 football field in just 1 night。这么跑很快，应该跑很快吧？这个是 Kiwi 的，这个是白毛的。 跟那个一样，都是巧克力色的 kiwi。哇，这么大的蛋！诶，可以进去了。Really can step inside. Hello kiwi. 把它蛋藏在下面了吧？孵蛋，男的孵蛋。
它上面有个洞哦，它这个好像可以跑，你看。
蛋就把它夹在脚中间，这个整个是它的骨头啊。有啦，你看它的手小只吧，小只嘛。像那个 T-Rex 的手。 这是刚开始吧？刚开始，你看什么？我看到了吗？妈妈看到了。一整个的名字啊。 这是它 hatchery， 给它吃啊！这边外面挺好拍的。它的 Kiwi tour 就这样了。现在要去它的 Souvenir Shop， The Long Lost Cousin。那个 ostrich， 这一幕也是其中一个了。 我们就刚从里面出来了。其实呢，它外面呢有一个瀑布，还蛮美的，就是这个。可是因为现在可能在装修吧，所以我把它关掉。现在去它的 gift shop。Let's go。这个好可爱呀！英文。我是英文13.9，一样不是？真的水。以前都有 on Kiwi， 还有绵羊。你这个是长毛的，这个也是好可爱啊。Kiwi， 这多少钱？这是8块半。Real sound， 这个多少钱？Kiwi， 全部都是 Kiwi 鸟，还有它的宝宝诶。35块，我以为这个全部都好可爱啊！平时很多人买这个，这一个嘛，还有卖项链 ，Kiwi 的项链，还有耳环，有卖衣服啊，长袖，它也是卖长袖。200多。哦，没事没事，好。那什么东西？你是那个吊 Christmas tree 的这个 Kiwi 的？哇，还有这些可以拿来吊圣诞树的。Kiwi， 这个蛮美的嘞，还蛮巧克力的。这个 Kiwi fruit milk chocolate。
很久没有Kiwi fruit了。
很久。Kiwi jam。还有 golden Kiwi chocolate。现在就刚逛完它的 gift shop。要去下一个景点 ，Bella Sleep Valley。Let's go。